What's up guys, you're watching Sid Technologies, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm just going to tell you about the how to create a Snapchat account, a Snapchat username on your iPhone. So I'm just going to share my screen, a phone screen on my left side. So let's go to your screen and start your Snapchat. Here you just sign up, and Snapchat would like to send you notification. If you want to allow and don't allow, is it up to you? Find your friends, okay, allow or don't allow, is it up to you? Access your contacts. Here you just add your first name and the last name. Simply just add a first name and here is a last name. Then after that you just continue. Here we go, continue. Then you add your date of birth. I'm just going to skip this one, I just add it. And after that just skip this one. You simply add it and tap continue. After tapping continue you just tap a continue, and then you have your username. Here is, if you want to change it then you change it, username suggest, and you just checking the username is available, you just continue. Here you just add your email address and phone number, finish, put a code, and then after that you get back to set and create a Bitmoji. Continue to Bitmoji. If you want to create a Bitmoji you just continue, and skip this one, and here we go. Snapchat account is created and here we are. Here is your Snapchat profile. So that's how that simply you can create a Snapchat account. And if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. See you until the next one, until the next topic.